Is it a case of a pupil and teacher here tonight, is it?
Exactly. 1951, I made my first visit over to John. And he fitted me up, not alone with the scale, but he fitted me up with an instrument to play on. He gave me his own whistle. And from there on, I made 2-3 visits a week across the fields into John's. And we would go over it. Now, I want to say, in his presence, he wasn't the easiest man in the world to learn of. from the point of view that if he played a tune twice over for you, each time there's something new in it. And for somebody like me that was only learning, it wasn't easy to pick up all the things that John was putting into it. But that was the brilliance of the man, you see.
Right. John, was he a good pupil?
Oh, the best.
Was he?
Oh, the best. He wasn't all getting ahead of the master.
Was he not?
No.
And when did you start playing the flute?
About 12 years.
12
years.
And what attracted you to the music?
Of course, I said you start on the flute. It was, I suppose, 14 or 15 anyway.
And what attracted you to the music in the first place?
Oh, that was fun. My father, of course, was a flute player, and I couldn't get away from it.
Could you not?
In fact, I was making flutes.
Were you?
I was making flutes out of reeds and poetry and non-cycle things, you know. Even come out of pump of a bicycle, I made a job on it.
You didn't?
I did, indeed. Some people wasn't too happy, I suppose, about it, but oh well.
Anyway, you're going to play a tune together, lads, are you?
We will.
What will we play, John? We'll try, what, Creamers and the Humours de Tuma.
Grand.
Yes.